Living in the city can be really difficult. There are so many factors that make my skin dry. Air pollution, the striking hot weather. And since now that I'm constantly working indoors with the air conditioner turned on, I can see my skin visibly becoming dry and looking worse. Red spots are appearing and making me itch everywhere. I need to moisturize to protect my skin. Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy is here to cure your dry skin. Our BioMimic Technology provides moisturizing triple action for your skin. Repairer will accelerate the natural repair of your dry skin. Hydrator will provide immediate and long-lasting moisturization to protect your skin from recurring dryness. And last but not least, Restorer will create a shield on your skin to make sure no moisture escapes and restore your skin's elasticity. Together, they give instant and long-lasting triple-action hydration that repair, hydrate, and restore to keep your skin feeling soft, supple, and fully moisturized head to toe. Triple action for immeasurable hydration. Use Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy today. Get Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy from pharmacies near you.